Okay people, we are recording now. So first of all we have this thing. Here is our trading game plan that is of 6 points. We have covered when to trade, the time to trade, how we manage risk, what is our normal risk, what are the opportunities where we will manage our risk, and on Monday and Friday these are special cases. We would only trade with 1% risk and only take one trade. So you can read this comprehensive guide by stopping this video, or you can just join our channel, and in this pinned message you can see this entire game plan. Okay, so for the next thing we also have just joined. So these are the primary times where we trade. We will set this timing according to the simulator time and see how that goes. So last time we conducted our simulation session, that was at the 8th of May 2026 Friday. So this was the day. So we will set our simulator time according to this. We will try to find out the London Open when it happens on the simulator. So we will go here. Everything is set up. The date, it starts from 5th 8th of May 2026 and 10,000 is our balance. New York close, leverage 100, fixed spread of 2 pips, $7 commission per lot, and we just have to start the simulation. So now let's just remove all of these so we have more area to see the charts, templates. This goes here, and session, these are our trading sessions. Let's see if this time is exactly like they say. Let's go to the 30-minute, man. Yeah, 30-minute. We London Open is here, Pakistan time 12 p.m. we have this. So let's see what is that time on. Resistance, and then the next candle, resistance. Whoa, was it like that? Yes. Okay, resistance, and then so the simulator time is correct. We can move on to the next day, that is Monday. So everything is good. Let's go to Monday. So this right here, 10 o'clock, is our London Open. 1 hour before that, at 9, we have our pre-London session, and 1 hour before that is our 4-hour candle close. So I come 1 hour before that, before 8. I come at 7. According to Pakistan time, it is about 9, because the 4-hour candle close is at 10 a.m. Oh man, where do I send it? So any of the guys who are from Pakistan, you can just see this thing. sessions. Yes, this thing. 4 hour candle open is at 10 and pre-London is at 11, London open at 12, 3 p.m. there is pre-New York 2 hours before that, and after 2 hours there is NY open, NYSE open at 6:30, and after that the 4 hour candle closes at 7. I rarely trade this thing, so there is just 1 2 3 4 5, these are the times. So let's start. Yes, where are we should go to 7. Yes, so our calendar should be 11th of May. There is nothing. Yes, turn off the calendar and let's scale fix this. It is. So what we are trying to do is we will go to the 4 hour and see how that looks. We have the 4 hour, a very big gap down. I don't think we have anything at this point on the 4 hour. One hour. Yes, this was the support, rejected this area, can break this low and continue pushing down. We can fill these wicks. Let's try to get a trade till here. So I have seen this when price forms 2 exhaustion candles, the next candle doesn't even wake up and break the previous candle's low and just keep on pushing down very aggressively. So let's see if that happens. So going down to the 30-minute, we have consolidation. This was our support and currently price have broke the support, and let's see where it goes. It is making its upper wick, so that is not the move that I was anticipating. When I see this setup, it is not even upper wick, it just drops dead. If we look on the 30, we didn't even go to the 15. 15 is clean support and then there is a breakout on 30-minute. So Raja talks about this one thing, when you should wait for a confirmation on the 15-minute and when should you wait for the 30-minute. Whenever there are wicks to the left hand side, you will wait for a 30-minute candle to close between these wicks or beyond these wicks to enter a trade. When there are wicks to the left side, you cannot trust the 15-minute candle closure. So this is one thing we will try to wake up, break the previous low and continue pushing down. 1 hour, 4 hour. How is the 4 hour? There is just 1 hour for the 4 hour to close. So yeah, not very confident. These wicks are making it difficult for me to trade this 4 hour candle close. So we will just watch. Yes, in theory it should just keep on pushing. What was this? 32, 35 pips, stop, easy, wick fill. But we are not interested because of these wicks and the wicks that are. So what do we have here? The 15-minute is about to close, so 15 minute just closed, and it closed as a rejection. Okay, so at this point we missed this trade. Very nice trade, but we did not trust this one. Yes, would have been easy. 35 pips, and what do we have? 1 to 2 risk to reward. So it is what it is. 30 minutes is about to close, and it is done. We can, let's see, what is it? 15 minutes is nice. On the 4 hour, how does the 4 hour look? 4 hour is, I don't know at this point. Huge wick, and it could just keep on pushing down. On the 1 hour, same thing as we discussed, but if it didn't made its upper wick, we would have been very confident, but it is what it is. Now at this point there are clean wicks, these two wicks and these, so these can be filled. If it wicks up, breaks the previous candle's low, but it is Monday, so we have to consider this, that we are only going to use 1% risk and only going to take one trade according to the trading game plan. So we will try to get till here. If there is a perfect opportunity or setup, then we will take, otherwise we have the opportunity to move on to the next session, pre-London, and next session, that is London Open, and then pre-London or pre-New York, and then New York, and then New York Stock Exchange Open. So we can always move to the next session, because but we have to get the perfect setup for this one bullet to be used up. So it didn't make its upper wick before breaking the previous candle's low, and now it just went down and it is trying to go up now. So these small things you have to take notice of. If it had made its upper wick first and then break the previous candle's low, we would have been in this trade. The 15 minute is about to close, so let's see how that goes. This was nice trade, but was not very confident because of all of these rejections. If it was this, only this rejection, this wick, then I would have traded. But 15 minute closed and we were just talking, yeah, nothing, because we cannot just now break the high and just buy, because there needs to be some confirmations, like needs to be a low made, then pull back, resistance, come down, and then break that resistance to go counter trend. Hourly candle just closed, and so does our 4-hour candle. 1 hour closed strong bearish, 4 hour closed a huge rejection and with a nice body. So let's see, according to the symbol logic that Raja provides, previous candle was bearish, and now we should just wait and watch our resistance. We need to find a resistance form and take a sell trade. Let's see if we get an opportunity. We don't. Let's speed it up a bit. made its upper wick. Now 15 minutes just closed like this. Let's see. So we will not sell at this low. Yeah, addressing the most obvious questions. So let's see how do we get the price action. Oh, 30 minutes just closed with a exhaustion candle. Wake up, break this low, and then we can try to push down. Let's see if we get that. Yeah, nothing. Okay, trying to come down. Ooh. Before entering we need to see the 15 minute, how the 15 minute closes. It should just close like this, a rejection. Oh, okay. Monday there is no news. This is just, yeah, nothing, no news. Just Trump and his bullshit. 15 minutes is about to close and it's done. Okay, 15 minutes just closed. There is 30 minutes. We are near this and we need to find our next zone where price could move. So this is, and then it is just clean till this. Okay, so let's see if we can catch a move. Yeah, nothing. We are not taking a trade here. It needs to make its upper wick for us to take this trade. Let's just forward this candle. Oh, it pushed down. 30 minute closed like this, 1 hour like this, and it covered this area. And now we should see, we are in pre-London. Let's see if we get an opportunity. Filling this wick and breaking down. Okay, maybe there is a pullback coming. Let's just remove this zone. Okay, it closed a strong bullish candle. Now it can push up, but we will not trade that. We need to go with the trend. 15 minutes. Alright, we also need to see how this closes. So now the next candle, if it breaks the previous candle's low, we can push down because we are approaching London Open. Let's slow it down a bit and see if we can catch a trade. Okay, not interested at this point for sells because this candle already broke the previous candle's high. So if it breaks the previous candle's low, that would be a volatile candle and we won't know where to place our stop loss. 30 minute is bullish. We need to see a resistance form. 15 minute is about to close, and it is closing as a strong bullish candle. Okay. We need, oh, we could buy here. Stop loss. 15 minute closed above this. Okay, this could be an idea, but this wick could be filled and there is clean range, but these wicks are not doing us any favor. Okay. Could push up. Pushing up. Even with confirmations, we need to see a nice range for price to move. One hour is about to close. Let's see how that closes. Okay, there is London Open at this point. Price, okay, it is trying to push up. Let's see how that goes. There is clean range till here. Going down to the 15 minute. Yeah, but let's stick with sells. If we get a confirmation, we will sell without any hesitation. But buys, I don't think they will work out, because if this is support, then we are far away from this support to take buys. We need to be near the zone to take the trade. Hmm 15 minute, let's see how this closes. 15 minute closed bearish. This is our new resistance now, this right here, and price wakes up, break the previous candle's low. We are good to go. Okay, let's go 1% sell. What is this? 30 pip, 32 for the stop loss, 1 pip breathing room, 33. Let's accept this and TP in oblivion. Where is trade panel? Where is our trade panel? We will try to get, let's see what this gives us. 32 pips. We are halfway there. Okay. If it flips bullish, we will close 50%. Yes, 50%. It should just keep on pushing down. There is no business for this candle to break its own high. Yes. Risk was 1%, loss 0.9. It is what it is. 30 minute closed like this. We are done for the day. Monday we took one trade and that did not work out. Price is just pushing up now. 15 minute, it could work out at the break of this. Buys till this, but we are already done. Let's move on to the next day and see. 7 London Open, pre-London, and 1 hour before that is our eight. So 4 hour we have, it is trying to go bearish. 1 hour we have this resistance and this is our support. Then we have a clean range to the downside. Moving on to the 30-minute, same idea. Most recent resistance up here, support there, that was broken, and now it is trying to push down. Let's see how that goes. Hmm. 15 minutes just closed bullish and price is just doing whatever. Broke the high. Let's see. 30 minutes is about to close and it just closed an impulse entry scenario. So at this point we will be interested to sell. How did the 15-minute close? It was nice, but we will enter based off of 30-minute. Too big of a wick to enter. $15-minute closed. Let's see. So it closed bullish. Okay, it is trying to come down. Broke its own low. Maybe we should sell at this point, or do we need a confirmation? Let's go on the 15-minute. Okay, we are selling at this point, but let's go with 30-minute and we will increase our risk 2% because we would have this opportunity to manage risk. Let's go 2%. We are in sells and the stop loss is, what is it? It's too much, man. 15-minute, same thing. Let's go with this. What is this? 65. It is going to be 69 and the TP goes till here, like 1 to 1. 30-minute, we will manage risk here. We are up about 20 pips. 22, 30, and it will fill the wick. It is 60 pips, we need 70. There is clean range, yes, and this gap, so we will close partials, let's say 80% and set the stop loss to break even. remove, let's go to break even and then remove TP. Let's see where it goes. Speed it up. Okay, it is just retracing and the 1 hour is about to close. Oh, 1 hour closed, and let's see how the 4 hour closed. 4 hour closed, strong bearish candle. It should just keep on pushing down. Pushed up, then there was some signs of weakness, rejection, and then broke the low, and it should just keep on pushing down. On the 4 hour, 30-minute is just perfect. Do we have anyone with us? Okay, Michael. Let's see, it is not. Okay, stop loss. So there is this thing, we had this. So yes, 2% risk management. No, here max 2 trades a day, and daily max risk is 2%. So we used our 2% risk. We should just move on to the next day. Opportunities are everywhere, man. We can't take or trade every opportunity. The more we trade, the more we are vulnerable. Yes, that's about. Oh, we are 15 minutes late to our session. Alright, we are on the 4 hour. Same scenario as yesterday. Pushed up, weakness, broke the low, and it is going down. And you see on the 1 hour it is the same thing, and there is some sort of impulse entry scenario with clean range to the downside. Let's go on the 30-minute. We have this resistance and this support. Easy, it doesn't get any easier than this. Push up, double clean range, but we will go with the higher time frame. Close above this, buys, below this, sells. That's the thing, double clean range, and it is just pushes so smoothly. But we are with the 30-minute and we need to see a confirmation. 30-minute is about to close and it just did. We have the confirmation. Break this high, fill this wick and this wick and this. Oh man, too many wicks. Earlier in the day we can get better opportunities than this. Make it slower wick and then push up, we will be interested. Yeah. Nah. Okay, 15-minute is about to close. It could just close as an exhaustion candle and a impulse entry scenario, but let's see how we get the candle to close. 15-minute just closed and it closed bearish. Nothing, not interested. 1 hour is about to close, so does the 4 hour and the 30 minute, and it just closed. 4 hour closed. Nice wick to fill. 1 hour showing weakness, could break this low and push down. On the 30 minute we have bearish candle at a resistance, but this candle does not have a strong body, so we don't have any confirmation, but we could get a nice impulse entry scenario sell at the break of this candle's low. We will try to go with this with 1% risk, yes, because we are going with 15-minute time frame confirmation, and that is not really a great confirmation time frame. Okay, broke the high. 30 minutes high is broken, and maybe we should buy, but not really. If there were no wicks, these wicks were absent, then one clean range, double clean range, we would have gone with 2% risk, but these wicks don't do us any favor. Let's see how the 15-minute closes. 15-minute closed like this, above this, but we will not trade the 15-minute. Let's see how the 30-minute closes. Buys are risky because there are these wicks. Sells would be really nice. Hmm. 30-minute. Oh. What is it trying to do? Broke the high and now trying to push down. How does that look on the 1 hour? Okay, nice, but we need to see a candle close. It is a huge rejection, man. Maybe we should get in. Should have gotten in, but we let's go with 1%. Sell. $24, 5, 6, 7. Let's try to aim for this support. Accept. Let's go. Oh, whoa, went to 1 maybe. 27 and 27. Oh man, if the TP was at 1 it would have been an instant TP, but we got an instant SL, so that's why we used lower risk, because there was no opportunity to manage risk at this point, and our entry was away from the optimal point, that was this low. So we need to see another candle close for us to get into a trade, because 15-minute closed indecision candle. From this point we cannot buy, because this and the open price is far away from each other, so we need to see another candle close. Okay, now it is trying to push up. 15 minute is not good, 30 minute very good, and 1 hour we are in pre-London. Zoom is gone. Let's get the Microsoft Teams link. I am using this for the first time. Share link, man. So, where were we? 1 hour 30 minute. 30 minute is looking good for buys. Break the previous candle's high and we are good to go. Yes, we are good to go. Used 1% of our risk, then going again with 1%. Stop loss here. What is that? 23. Let's go 24. And these wicks are our target area. We will close manually. Yeah. We are getting what? Let's go, man. Push up. Okay. Yeah, not really interested in closing partials. 30, 40. What did we risk? 24 pips. We are getting 40. 1 to 2. Ooh. Should have closed something up there at this. Okay. What are we getting right there? 53. Let's close partials 90%. Oh man, this shit. Partials. Let's see if the TP gets hit. Modify the TP till, yeah, this, and let's see. Oh, stop loss to break even, man. We are about to close on the 15 minute. Let's see how the 15 minute goes. 15 minute is closing strong candle. Yes, there is clean range. We should hit TP. Okay, we are up 1.72. We used today's full risk 1% loss, then used 1% again, and then we got to 1.74. Move on to the next day. That would be our Thursday. We are at our session in 7. Today we are on time. 4 hour resistance, support, then there is this big fill. 1 hour, what do we have here? Same thing, resistance, this support, and then big fill. 30-minute, yeah, wake up, break the previous candle's low, and we are good to go. On the 15, oh, what is this shit show? On 15, let's see, slow down if we can get an entry. It should pick up, man, pick up. Oh, okay, just pushing down. What can we say at this point? Just speed up now, man. There is no entry for us at this point. Okay. Trying to push up. 15 minute is about to close. Okay. Rejection. Can we go for the buys? Not enough clean range. Resistance. Big resistance, and then this resistance. Not really interested in buys. If these scenarios are at London Open, then we should be interested in buys, because these things can be broken. So this thing happened one time. Okay, this thing cannot happen every day at 4-hour candle close. 30 minute closed. 15 minute is good. So if this breaks the previous candle's high, we can go. What is this gold shit? 26 pips and then 86. Maybe this can be our resistance. Okay, go down to the 30 minute, and 15, nothing. 30, yes. Break the high and we are in. No man, no, I don't think so. It would be, what is this, 68, 70. Not confident enough. On second thought, retrace and no, not now. Maybe yes, maybe no. No man, it is just gone. It could just push down now, break its own low. After this strong candle close, we could have bought, but we were not quick enough in our thinking. 1%, obviously, because there is not desirable clean range. 15 minute closed, rejection, break the low, and we are in for the sells. I don't think we will get a break of lows. 4 hour is about to close. We could get something interesting. Oh, 4 minute closed. 4 hour. 30 minute is a huge rejection on 4 hour. Huge rejection. I don't know, man. It could just. Okay, 1 hour is strongly bullish. 30 minute is kind of interesting. Let's go with the 30 minute. 15 minute, more information. The smaller time frames are indicating bearish momentum. Let's see if we get any confirmations for sells. We need to see the break of lows. Break the lows and we are in. 2%. Let's go, man. Let's go. 2% sell. 2% sell with, what is this? 22, 25, 6. Till here? Yes. Good. We need to watch this closely. We have a large amount of risk in this trade. Oh. Oh, don't do this, man. We will be good with 1 to 1. Looking at how it is moving. It is moving too quick. Sudden move, sudden burst. Okay. Yes, at this point just close the entire position. Hmm. Used entire risk. Now it is trying to push down. Man, fuck you. Should have waited for a deeper wick. Hmm. 15 minutes is about to close. You see, analysis was good, but price had to do what it did. Broke its high again and then went down. That would have been a nice 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Fuck you, man. What was that? 20. Man, that was a nice ass trade. Should not have trusted when there was just 26. What was that? 20 pips. On to the next day. Friday. Where is Friday? Friday. At this point, it is very difficult for us to end up in profits. We are going to be using 1% risk because it is Friday. No over trading. Whoa. Why the fuck were you just going? Okay, 4 hour pushing down, 1 hour, some sort of resistance or support, and then there is resistance. 30 minute, it is trying to push up. Could have been a nice entry here. 53 points. No, not really. We need to see a 30-minute candle closure above this resistance. Yeah, give us a close. 15 minutes just closed and it does not look good. Resistance. I think we will be good if there is a 30-minute candle close above. No, not really. It is trying to push down. 15-minute close, strong bearish candle, and the close is away from this. Is there a clean range for price to move? Yes, there is. Till here, double clean range. We will get in at whatever confirmation we can get. Break the low, we are in. Give us some kind of confirmation. 15 minute. How does it look? Whoa. Fuck, man. Fuck this. 15 minute close, we can go. 15 minute closed at the break of this candle. Yes, we will be interested. Let's go down to business. Okay, it's just trying to push up now. Broke its open price and now it is trying to push bullish. Whoa. Maybe an impulse entry scenario is cooking. Don't know. Maybe it is. Man, just close at this point. Don't break the lows. Yes, very nice opportunity. 15 minute impulse entry scenario. 30 minute we have a candle confirmation breakout. So let's see if we get an opportunity to sell. We are in sells with the stop loss of what, 35. Let's go 40. And what is this? Ooh, 40 pips. We are up about 30. Oh, should not have come up. They don't like us. 30 pips. Oh, we should have used 1%, but we used 2%. That is some fucked up shit from our side. Let's go 40, 41. We had 40%, 40 pips. 15 minute, yes. If we, where are we? Look to the left side, there should be clean range. Oh, maybe we should do this, maybe. Yes, TP is too far away. That is according to the 4-hour zones we are playing off of. 30-minute. What is this? 53. It's pushing down and we are done. Yes man, we are not risking our 2% and the floating 3%. Yes, we are just closing this right here, right now. Okay, it pushed till the zone. Even on the 15-minute there were no highs broken. We could have trailed our stop loss, and it is just keep on pushing and pushing. Oh man, so that is it. That was our week. Friday, one trade. We violated our rule at the very end, but that played in our favor. So you guys can see, where is the statistics thing? Oh, that is on the trade panel. Yeah, graph. Yes, minus this, made about, what is this, 3.3%. okay, that is how the graph looked, and these are the statistics. You guys can stop this and watch the statistics if you guys are interested in these details. And that is it. We took about 15 trades. What is this? No, 9 trades, and ended up with 3%. That is it. You guys can just subscribe and join the VRT group chat, VRT channel. You can go here and go on Telegram and search Vigilant Retail Trading. This channel will come up. Join here. You can get amazing trade breakdowns. Currently we are off now. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz. Fi Amanillah.